What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Assemble AI or ASM, which is down 1.7% at 0.2, so at 2 cents. We have a $31 million market cap with 100 or 1.5 billion coins in circulation out of 1.5 billion. I like that. It means they can't dilute the market by putting in more coins in circulation. So there is this thing, Assemble Protocol ASM has been rebranded as Assemble AI ASM. For more details, kindly visit here. You can do that yourself. Just go to CoinGecko and they have that little disclaimer at the top. Now, all-time high was 4 years ago at 64 cents. All-time low was also 4 years ago at 0.006. ASM, if you're interested in purchasing this, is available on the following markets: OrangeX, Coinbase, Gate.io, Sex.io, GoPack. So there's a lot of like underrated exchanges. So it's not listed on a lot of exchanges, but it is listed on a big boy such as Coinbase. And I mean, Gate.io is pretty big itself, even though the depth and the depth chart is minimal. So with that, guys, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ASM. All right, ASM. We're looking at the day chart here, guys. We got the day chart. Let's draw some fibs from the all-time high to the all-time low. See if we can get a little bit of data off that high, low. We do. We're finding support at the 236 right now and resistance at 382. We can see that right off the rip. Indicators right now, choppy, very, very choppy. We're not seeing any bullishness. We're not seeing any bearishness. We're kind of just moving sideways, and that is called consolidation right now, which we pretty much been consolidating since April of 2025. Other indicators, however, are showing a little bit different story. We have the RSI, which is tailing up, which is awesome. We want to see those higher highs and higher lows, which has been taking place since the 30th of May. We have the WTX, which printed a buy signal. Last time I printed a buy signal is April 9th, which if you would have listened to that prior buy signal, you would have bought right here. So that buy signal is very, very accurate. You still would be in profit if you would have bought that buy signal. The most recent one was right here. So as of right now, it does look like ASM is consolidating. The stock RSI as well isn't super bullish, but it's looking. Oh, hang on. We do have a crossover here. Blue over orange is bullish. So let's just monitor that here and see if this consolidation was a fake out, and then this thing could start rallying to the upside like this. Another thing to point out here to you guys is if we go to the short-term time frame, such as the 4 hour, the 4 hour time frame is for you swing traders and degens. The 4 hour time frame is overbought right now. So my personal opinion, not financial advice, is stop looking at 4 hour. The bull run's going to end October, November of this year. Now it's the time to be accumulate and accumulate and accumulate, and not buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold. But if we remove the drawings and just look at the current chart from where we're at, from the high to the low right here, what we need to focus on overtaking is that 2.5 cents area, which is obviously a heavy resistance because it's a very psychological resistance area. So if I had to make an assumption on where's ASM is going right now from the high to the low and with all the indicators, we're not going to go anywhere until we break above the 382, obviously. But the great part is, since we bottomed here in July of 2023, yes, we put in lower highs, but we have been putting in or higher lows since. See, we have the low, we have the high, we have a higher low, lower high, higher low, and then lower high. So what we're currently forming right here is a consolidation pennant. So we have this right here, and we have this right here. So what can we expect on the next move for ASM is most likely a push up here to around 4 cents. And then once you break out of the consolidation, that's when you can shout to the moon. But right now we're not at that point. So don't get your hopes up just yet. First things we have to do is get over the 382 right here at about 0.25, and then get over that 4 cents area. And if we get over that 4 cents area, we should be good to go. But not financial advice. It does look like an optimal time to be accumulating some ASM if you just want to quick flip it from this current price up to around that 4. It's about a 2x from where we're currently at. I think a 2x on this for a quick flip might be a good play, especially with this double bottom that currently came in. I just noticed that we have a oh shoot, that's a big, I was gonna say that's a big bottom. One bottom, two bottom right there. So we have a double bottom right now, which is kind of a sign of reversal. and then we can run up to around 4 to 5 cents, then reassess the situation once we hit that downtrend resistance area. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.